फंडामेंटल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और ये सीरीज़ कंटिन्यू चलेगा ताकि आपको इसके बारे में जानकारी हो सके। और ये देखिए, हम आपको एक एक करके बताएंगे। असेसमेंट टर्म्स चलेंगे जो स्क्रीन पे आपके दिख रहा है। पहला है AAO, इसका मतलब है अवेक, अलर्ट, ओरिएंटेड। AKA यानी अबाउट नी एम्पुटेशन। AMS अल्टर्ड मेंटल स्टेटस। BKA यानी बिलो नी एम्पुटेशन। BM bowel movement। BP blood pressure। BPM beats per minute। BS bowel sounds। CBC central venous catheter। INO intake and output। JVD jugular venous distension। LBW low birth weight। LMP last menstrual period। LOC level of consciousness। MAP mean arterial pressure। NKDA no known drug allergies। NPO nothing by mouth और nothing per oral। NVD nausea, vomiting, diarrhea। OOB out of bed। SOB shortness of breath। BSS vital signs stable। WNL within normal limits। ये क्या थे? तो असेसमेंट टर्म थे। मेडिकल असेसमेंट जब भी बनता है तो उसके लिए शॉर्ट एब्रिविएशन होता है, उसके बारे में अभी हमने बताया। अभी दूसरा देखेंगे लोकेशन के बारे में कि किस जगह के लोकेशन के लिए हमने कौन सा शॉर्ट एब्रिविएशन का यूज़ करते हैं। ABD एब्डोमेन। ETT एंडोट्रेकियल ट्यूब। FA forearm। LE लोअर एक्सट्रीमिटी। LLE left lower extremity। LLL left lower lobe। LLQ left lower quadrant। LUE left upper extremity। LUL left upper lobe। LUQ left upper quadrant। RLE right lower extremity। RLL right lower lobe। RLQ right lower quadrant। RUE right upper extremity। RUL right upper lobe। RUQ right upper quadrant, and last one is UE upper extremity. All abbreviations are indicated at one particular places in our body. Next one is measurements. When we measure any items, we can identify one unit. These are here. DR dram। G gram। gal gallon। GTT drop। kg kilogram। L liter। LBS pound। MCG microgram। MEQ milli equivalent। MG milligram। MIN minimum। ML milliliter। OZ ounce। PT pint। QT quart। T TBS और TBSP tablespoon और TSP teaspoon. These are all measurement units. Now next, general terms. These all words comes again and again in your medical field, so one by one we discussed. ADL activities of daily living। AMA against medical advice। CO complaint of। CC chief complaint। DC discontinue or discharge। DNR do not rescue। DOB date of birth। DX diagnosis। ETOH ethanol। FX fracture। HOB head of bed। HPI history of present illness। HX history IND incision and drainage। MVA motor vehicle accident। OTC over the counter। PCV primary care physician। PMHX past medical history। PSHS past surgical history। PT patient RT reach to RX prescription। SS sign and symptoms। S bar situation background assessment and recommendation। Stat immediately as soon as possible। SX symptoms। TX treatment। VS vital signs. Next one is diagnostic test. Some diagnostic abbreviation test is BX, that means biopsy. CT, computed tomography scan. CXR, chest X-ray. TRE, digital rectal exam. ECHO, ECHO, echocardiogram. EEG, electroencephalogram. EKG, ECG, electrocardiogram. KUB, X-ray of kidney, ureters, bladder. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. PET, positron emission tomography. PFT, pulmonary function test. US ultrasound. VQ scan, ventilation perfusion scan. Now next one, medication terms. These are very important. Every day we use many times. AC, before meals. AD, LIV, as desired. BID, 2 times a day, daily, once a day. HS, at bedtime. PC, after meals. PRN, as needed. Q1, every hour. Q2, every 2 hours. Q4, every 4 hours. Q, that means every. QS, every hour. QID, 4 times a day. TID, thrice times a day. All are medication terms. Next one is suffix and prefix. Suffix, prefix, and then one is the last one is suffix. Suffix, ectomy. Suffix or prefix. Suffix or prefix always be remember, because many words no catch about this suffix. Ectomy, incision removal. Itis, inflammation. As per example, pancreatitis, then inflammation of pancreas. ITS word indicate inflammation. Ostomy, now opening, that means colostomy. Phasia, eating, swelling. Phoesis, formation. All are suffix, and some here prefix. Anti, that means before. Auto, yani self. Brady, slow, that means bradycardia, slow heart rate. Cephalo, head. Dice, impaired. EP, above. Hema, blood. Hematoma, hema. Hypo, low. Hyper, high. Always you know hypo, hyper. Hypertension, hypotension. Hyperkalemia, hypokalemia. Macro, large. Micro, small. Pan, all. Peri, around. Peripheral, peri. Poly, many. Post, after. Pre, before. Sub, below. Supra, above. Last one is banded abbreviation, which is band in medical term. Do not use U, I, U, QD, QD. Then it's all are not mentions in your note chart, because all are bands. Potential problem, that means mistaken 0 or CC, mistaken IV or 10. These are mistakes. Instead of unit, international unit, daily or others, MG. All are. This is first video, and next one just waited.